Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to do an unboxing video. Robot chefs, whether a sentient pair of bot arms or a dedicated small appliance, are beginning to find their ways into our homes. Nowadays food has become easier to prepare. Thanks to advancements in terms of cookery and food preservation, many people have an easy access to foods now. It is an irrefutable fact that kitchen appliances have become more sophisticated and they would ease the cookery process. Included with each KODY21, a rubber spatula for scraping the food out of the jar. The spatula is made of food-grade silicone and is the only tool that can be used to stir food in the jar. A groove in the handle of the spatula can be used to remove the filter basket from the jar. Stir-frying blades, for stir-frying. Stir-frying represents the most basic and important cooking technique for Chinese cuisine, which brings heat into full play and allows you to cook a variety of ingredients in just 10 seconds or so. Kneading blade, it is mainly used for kneading dough, preparing for bakeries and pastry. Its material is made of 304 stainless steel. A digital weighing scale for weighing the ingredients. It is a multi-cooker that can automatically adjust the heat, temperature, and stir-frying frequency according to recipes, allowing you to master such cooking techniques of Chinese cuisine as stir-frying, steaming, simmering, stewing, brining, without any practice. Butterfly whisk, for whipping or washing. This accessory should be installed on top of the multi-function blades unit. It helps in food mixing and removes lumps. It can be used to whip ingredients such as egg whites and cream, as well as cleaning the jar. Interestingly, KODY21 also comes with not one, but 3 stainless steel blade attachments, especially designed for better performance in stir-frying, kneading, and other functions. With a price tag approximately a third of the Thermomix, this could be an excellent choice if you are less concerned about certain functions and having an extensive recipe library at your disposal. This jar is suitable for mixing, whisking, and serving. Made of stainless steel, long-lasting, and reliable. A measuring cup. The measuring cup is used as the product lid to prevent splashing and heat loss. It can be used to measure food quantity. Its maximum capacity is 100 milliliters. The filter basket can be placed in the jar when cooking soft food, steaming rice, stewing, and washing food. It can also be taken out alone and used for filtering food, and it is made up of stainless steel. You can use the spatula to take out the basket from the jar. Multi-function blades, this accessory is designed for crushing, grinding, and stirring food. It can be used to make drinks, smoothies, and complementary foods. It is also applicable for steaming, boiling, and stewing. Amongst other brands, KitchenIdea joined the market and released KODY21. They dedicated themselves to perfecting the art of robotic cooking since 2011. In the past 12 years, they have sold more than 1 million of their products to over 18 countries in the world, making them a leading brand of robotic cooking units. In addition, the company offers an extended warranty period of 3 years, surpassing the coverage provided by other brands in the market, giving customers added peace of mind and confidence in their purchase. KODY21 offers maximum cooking performance and safety, as well as providing users with remote upgrades and access to a variety of recipes, including those from bakeries, Asian cooking, and international cuisines. All you need to do is to put the ingredients and seasonings into the jar, then click start and wait for the dish to be served. In other words, as long as you can handle a washing machine, you can prepare Chinese cuisine.